Alright, just a quick tour of the IDE. This is the Arduino IDE. You should have played with this week, and hopefully you found your way around. But anytime you're working with software that's new, one of the things you want to do is just take a quick look at what is in each of these menus. And you'll notice that there are a lot of terms there that are the same from any menu to the next. Here's one that's kind of unique to the Arduino environment. We call these sketches, not programs. So you have some tools that are specific to working in the Arduino environment. And under tools, there's one here that you're certainly going to use, actually two here that you're going to use quite a bit. One of them is the serial port. Some of you may have already discovered this. These are communication ports or COM ports inside your computer. And whenever you plug something in, then it gets picked up on a COM port. So for example, right now it shows COM port 1 is the only one that's there. You'll notice that down in the lower right hand corner it's telling me that the Arduino Uno is on COM 3. Now you didn't see a COM 3 up there because I currently don't have the Arduino plugged in. But if I plug my Arduino in, you get this little beep that sounds, and if I come back over to tools, and you'll notice that I have a COM 3 there. If for some reason when you go to run a program and it gets to the end and it says that it couldn't actually upload it to the board, and perhaps it says that it timed out, perhaps it couldn't find the COM port, that's the first place you want to go look. And just you can just toggle these back and forth and upload a program, say, oh, that didn't work, let's try COM 3, upload the program, it works. You're off and running. So that's a pretty simple way to work there. Anytime you want to get help in a program, this is always a good place to look as well. You'll notice that you have these 5 buttons up here. This is where you can verify your code. This is basically compiles the code. And it doesn't tell you if your program is going to work, do the right thing, but it will tell you that it will compile correctly and at least load. It doesn't mean that it works, it just means that it will actually run. This is the upload button. This will also compile the code, then upload it. And then these others here, you've got your new open a file, and this would be to save a file. So quick buttons to some of the things that are over here under file as well. One other tool that you'll want to use at some point is this serial monitor. You're going to hear about that specifically when we get to looking at analog write. These are analog inputs and outputs. So that's a place where we can go and actually watch some things there. The other thing you want to see is down here in the lower left-hand corner. It's telling you what line in code you're on. So it says right now I'm currently have the cursor on the first line. And that's about it. That's really all there is to the Arduino IDE.